Hello po, good day. Parito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite. Light green variant po natin. So our stylus, inserted lang po siya sa likod. And on lang natin yung unit. So this order is going to Batangas, South Luzon. Napakita ko lang first yung charging ng ating unit. Now once you plug in here your charger just beside this green light, magkakaroon po ng orange light dito. Ayan. So this indicates that our DS Lite unit is charging. And then for our buttons naman, pakita ko lang din. So our LR button, ABXY buttons natin, directional buttons, and our select start. All good. Then touch screen. Ayan. So for your games, we have installed here more than 300 to around 400 plus games. So marami na po kayong mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. To load our games, open na po natin yung ating DS Games na folder. Now for the games we have here, yung mga Mario games natin, Zelda, Kirby, Pokemon of course hindi mawawala, Dragon Ball, Naruto, and maraming pa pong iba. So again, more than 300 to around 400 plus po yung pwede ninyong pagpilian. So open lang natin isa sa mga game na parating hinahanap, which is one of the Pokemon games. So I'll be sending also separate photos ng mga other inclusions dito sa package na inavail ninyo sa ating chat. So okay na po yung inyong order. Bali, papack na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!